Question 1. Form systems of linear equations in 3 variables for the following situations. Alright, let's look at A. Abdullah buys a history book, 2 maths book and 3 science books for 120. Right, so let's call history book X, mathematics will be Y, science will be Z. So he bought 1 history book, 2 mathematics books plus 3 science books, 420 ringgit. And then Chong buys 2 history books. So history is X. 3 mathematics books, 3Y. And 2 science books, 410 ringgit. Then Kala Devi buys 1 history book, 4 mathematics books and 2 science books, 480 ringgit. So this will be our 3 equations. Okay, then we do B. There are a total of 30 coins which consist of 10 cents, 20 cents and 50 cents coins in a box. The total value of coins is 20 ringgit 60 cents. So we don't know how many how many 10 cents, how many 20 cents and how many 50 cents coins. But we know all together got 30 coins. So X number of 10 cents, Y number of 20 cents and Z number of 50 cents. All together got 30 pieces of coins lah. Then the total value is this. So 10 cents times X plus 20 cents times Y plus 50 cents times Z must give us 20 ringgit 60 cents. Salma bought an ice cream using 2 50 cents and 3 20-cent coins. Okay, so this is an error in the question lah. Actually, you cannot make an equation just by this. She used 2 50-cent coins and 3 20-cent coins, but they never give us the value of the ice cream or the number of coins or whatever. So that's it lah. Only 2 we can form.